Hello everyone, hope you're all well. I am here today to film a Nastygal unboxing, and I don't think I've ever done a video showcasing them. I do browse their website a lot, but I have previously bought so much stuff to film an unboxing for, and then I literally returned every single thing. And I think with websites like this, I find that it's very hit and miss, but I still do think sites like this are great to find those kind of trend-led pieces. I will be doing a try-on portion, so I really do hope you guys enjoy this, and let me know down below if you guys like Nastygal. I know that they always have insane deals. They always got I got this stuff for 40% off. It was 40% off new in season or something. That's crazy. And I think I got quite a few things. I also got some sizes, doubles of sizes, just because I'm not too familiar with their stuff. And it looks like it might come up a bit small, and I always look in reference to the model as well. So here we go. This is my package. Also, I feel like I haven't worn black in so long, and today I'm wearing all black and it just feels really weird. I've had to adjust the settings on my camera and everything. So yeah, I'm wearing, by the way, in case you guys care, because I feel like so many of you guys asked me, my blazer. I finally found my perfect black blazer. This is from And Other Stories, and my t-shirt, which I'll show you guys, is a little Zodiac tee, and it's also And Other Stories. I just hit my microphone. So yeah, really excited. Let's get this baby open. I know what this is. This is a trench, and I feel like this is one of those trend-led pieces that I don't want to spend a lot of money on, just because I don't feel like it's necessarily my style. I feel like I really like the look of this one. It was really nice and flowy and loose, so I thought I would try it. Okay, this might not be a great start. The arms are poofy, which I didn't realize. I thought the model has just kind of rolled them up. But let's just see. I'll show you guys what I bought it to wear with anyway. So it's a trench coat. As I said, it looks stunning on the model. I don't know what it's going to look like on me, but the material itself actually feels really nice. You know, some of these online websites, you buy stuff and the stuff looks a bit cheap, but I feel like this is going to have to be tried on. It's going to look awful with what I'm wearing now, but we shall see. I'm not going to diss it until I try it. I actually really like the buttons. They're really big and chunky and stuff, so we shall see when I put this on. I'm just not a lover of the sleeve, and I got that in a size small medium, I think. But I will tell you guys, I chose multiple sizes of some of this stuff, which I think this is one of them. This is, yes, this is a dress, and I got 2 sizes in this, but it's not telling me what size it is offhand. Okay, so that's the 12. I will try the 10 on first. But the models are wearing a 10, and the models look tiny, so that's why in some of the stuff I got a 12. This is, I just fell. This is a little pinafore style dress in a cream. This is actually really cute. This would look really nice even with a roll neck. So this is the dress, and it's just a, I don't know, a pinafore style, I guess. The color of this is absolutely gorgeous. I have corduroy dust everywhere, so in case you see that in the camera, I'm trying to dodge it. But it's really nice. It's not too short either, and I will show you guys what I got this to pair with. But this is the kind of thing Nastygal is good for, really sort of trendy pieces like this that I don't think you need to spend a lot of money for. So I'm hoping that these things look good. So far the quality does look really good. This, because I feel like I can't go and order anywhere without buying a pair of sunglasses. But I have listen guys, I'm trying with my Instagram, and I like wearing sunnies in my Instagram posts, okay? And also I feel like I really want to be Bella Hadid, and Bella Hadid wears these kind of sunnies, and I haven't seen anything like these before. And it's these ultra minuscule little sunnies that are literally gonna shade nothing, but I just thought they were sick. Okay, this is gonna kill my vibe. There we go. I will have to see what these look like on me when I'm doing the editing for this, but I just thought these were so cute. And for Instagram posts, because like I said, they will actually do nothing in terms of shading the sun, I just thought they were gorgeous. And you guys know I literally wear sunnies like that all the time, but again, they feel really, really, really nice. And they even say they've got UV protection. So actually kudos to Nastygal. They feel really substantial. They don't feel cheapy at all. So they weren't expensive either. And as I said, I got 40% off everything, which is crazy. This is something I'm really excited for. This is, you guys know me in hats, but I love the color of this one. This is a beret, but I'm not gonna try it on right this second because it's gonna mess up my hair. This is a camely, creamy beret. Even this outfit, honestly, there is fluff everywhere. I love this kind of thing, especially with the kind of outfit that I've got on now, like all black, and then pairing it with a neutral beanie. So if you haven't worn a French beanie thing, this isn't even called a beanie, this is called a beret. Why am I calling it a beanie? So a beret, if you haven't like caught on to the trend, especially from last year, I feel like this year they're definitely not going anywhere. So I feel very happy about that because it means my investment was well spent. These are, I think, a pair of trousers. Again, I don't feel like sometimes I like to spend a lot of money on trousers because I kind of rotate them a lot. I think these are a pair of trousers. Can you tell the color theme I was going for in this video? It's very neutral. These are a pair of like straight leg checkered trousers. They don't feel super cheapy. I got these in a size 12 because these hips don't lie. I just went up because I thought bigger rather than smaller, and I wanted them to be slightly slouchy, so we shall see on those. Again, I hold judgment. Then I got, God, the color scheme in this video is so funny. This is a top, and I really liked this. I will show it to you guys. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, and I thought this would look really cute under the pinafore little thing. Okay, this is gonna be one of those things I have to try it on to show it to you guys on, but it's basically a ruffle top. Again, the material feels really nice considering the price. Like, it feels substantial, you know, like when you hold it. And it's got lovely sleeves, really ruffly, and a really ruffly front. I like these kind of things, especially because I film videos, and it's nice having like different, you know, tops and stuff like that. Anyone who films will know the struggle. So yeah, I hope that looks cute on. It might be a bit too girly for me personally, but I thought I would try it and see. This, I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a jacket. I do remember what this is. Oh my God, I am excited about this. I hope this looks good. Okay, this is and remember again, I got this all 40% off. Oh my God. I always smell this kind of stuff to see, does anyone else do this? Snakeskin, super like coyote ugly vibe jacket. I don't know if it looks a bit cheap, like holding it up. You know, like sometimes material you gotta be like careful, but I will try it on with some stuff that I have to see how it looks. Like with just a roll neck, like a black roll neck and jeans. Let's not diss it until we've tried it, but that was kind of my, what's it called? Risk item that I bought. I was like, oh, it looks kind of cool on the model. It's on sale. Let's see how it looks. Then we could not do a an order from a shop without doing a blazer dress order. So this is a blazer dress from Nastygal, and I loved the colors. Like, look at the colors of that. You guys know I literally love blazers, so a blazer dress is even better. So this is the prettiest pink blazer dress. You could obviously just wear it as a blazer. It's in a kind of like linen cotton material, and it's got shoulder pads inside, which I actually really like. I think, yeah, this has shoulder pads too. So well done, Nastygal. And this was way more expensive, just to put it into context. So yeah, I'm showing it really rubbish, but it's literally just a blazer dress. Very clueless vibes, very like me. I love a check, so I probably will like that. Okay, I'm gutted because I absolutely love this, but it's too small. This is what I'm saying, Nastygal, I think like a size 10 is probably a size 12, because anywhere else I feel like a size 10 in this would have fitted me. But if it's fine here, this is quite gapey, so I'm just holding it. But look, it's too tight here. I am wearing Spanx, but it's too tight here. The color of it and everything is so gorgeous, but it's so tight on me. So yeah, so sad. Maybe if you order from Nastygal, go up a size. But I absolutely love this. It's just, I mean, I have had some crazy lunch, but it's way too tight and short on me. And then, lastly, but by no means least, I got, oh yeah, maybe I just got one of them. I thought I got two, but I thought I'll get the size 12 in this. This is a silk style dress, like a slip dress, and I thought it would look really cool on a night out, like with just a black blazer like I'm wearing now. And this was like part of a collection, I think, that Nastygal did with someone. I can't remember who. And I think the dress I just showed you guys, that was as well. I'm glad I got the 12 because I did not want this to be tight. So this is it. It is stunning. It looks nice. Like, I hope you guys can see, like it's double lined as well. So it's thick just on the top bit. So like where your boobs sit, it's like double lined just there. And everywhere else I think it's single, but I literally wear Spanx with everything, so it just doesn't really bother me if something is double or single lined because I cover up. But love this. I love the fact that the straps are adjustable. I feel like I could get away with this with my bandeau black weekday bra, and it is short, so it's not long. But I don't have a slip dress anymore. I had a black one, I'm sure lots of you guys remember, that I loved from ASOS, and I think I must have sold it or something. But I feel like this, like under this, is a look. So I hope this is gonna be my favorite piece. But that, and also, can I just say, it's also like lined really nicely. Honestly, I'm really shocked by them, like compared to the order I did like a few months back on Nastygal, this stuff quality-wise is so nice. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. Let me know which one is your favorite item, obviously down below, and how I style it. And also I will link other things that I style everything with down below. So definitely check out the down bar, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.